Good day, everyone. I am Michaje Caday. This is my video tutorial about Excel using such formulas. So my own example is all about the COSCA enrolled students in tertiary level for the last 5 years. So as we can see here in this column, these are the available courses or offered courses in COSCA. So the first thing we're going to do is to find the total in rows. So we're gonna use the formula. So let's start. Equal type equal sign sum open parentheses B4 colon B11 close parentheses enter. Then we're gonna drag this one to the right. So as we can see, the answer are automatic. So the next thing we're gonna do is to find find the average per column. So we're gonna use the formula equal average open parentheses B4 colon B11 close parentheses and then enter. And then we're gonna drag this one as like the same over to the right. So as the same, the answer are automatic. The next thing we're gonna do is to count the column. So we're gonna use the formula equal count open parentheses B4 colon B11 close parentheses. As usual, we're gonna drag this one over to the right, so the answer are automatic. And the next thing we're gonna do is to find the max enrolled students per column. So we're gonna use the formula equal sign max open parentheses B4 colon B11 close parentheses enter. Then we're gonna drag this one over to the right. Then we're gonna find the mean enrolled students per column. We're gonna use the formula equal mean open parenthesis B4 colon B11 close parentheses enter. And then we're gonna drag this one to the right. So we're gonna go over here to find the total in rows. So we're gonna here use the formula equal sum open parentheses B4 colon F4. I mean F4. Close parentheses enter. Then drag this one to the bottom till midwifery. Midwifery. And then the next thing we're gonna do is the average per row. So formula, this is type equal average open parentheses B4 colon F4 close parentheses. As the same as what we did, we're gonna drag this one to the bottom. Till midwifery. Then the next thing we're gonna do is true or false greater than the average. So we're gonna use the formula in. So we're gonna type. Equal if open parenthesis G4 greater than H4, comma, quotation true, quotation, comma, then quotation false, quotation close parenthesis, then the answer is true. So we're gonna drag this one till to midwifery. Then next thing we're gonna do is to count the row. So we're gonna use the formula. So we have to type equal sign in our keyboard. Equal count open parenthesis B4 colon F4 close parenthesis. So we're gonna drag this one over to the bottom till midwifery. So the next thing we're gonna do is to find the max enrolled students per rows. So type equal sign max open parenthesis B4 colon F4 close parenthesis, enter, and then we're gonna drag this one to the bottom till midwifery. Then last thing we're gonna do is to find the mean enrolled students per rows. So you're gonna type equal sign equal mean open parenthesis B4 colon F4 close parenthesis, enter, then drag this one to the bottom till midwifery as just the same. So that's it. That's how we answer the data. So, but first we're gonna highlight it so we can determine it. We're gonna highlight it with color. With this one. And then over here, highlight also just the same color.